Welcome to Veymax. Today we're introducing some hidden features of the Cejour. Some you may not know. 7 useful feature. 1. Auto start. First up, the auto start feature. When your electric skateboard isn't turned on, simply give it a push with your foot to start it automatically. When you hear a beep, it starts successfully, eliminating the need to bend down to press the button. 2. Kinetic energy recovery system. Next, the kinetic energy recovery system. Every time you brake, energy is recovered a little, slightly extending the range, simultaneously saving more power. Follow the concept of environmental protection again. 3. Cruise control. Moving on to the cruise control feature, it allows you to maintain a constant speed on long straight stretches, making riding easier and more efficient. When cruise control is on, be sure to be highly alert to road conditions. 4. Direction change. Just double-click the power button to quickly switch the skateboard's direction from forward to backward. 5. Mileage records. In addition, we have the mileage records feature, allowing you to easily view the distance and time of each trip. Record your electric skateboarding career. 6. Tail light system. For nighttime riding, the tail light system enhances safety, offering 6 different modes to choose from. Using an electric skateboard at night, it has also become more reassuring to guide your night ride. 7. Replaceable wheels. Lastly, the replaceable wheels feature. Our Cejour electric skateboard supports interchangeable 90mm and 105mm wheels. Maybe off-road, maybe on the street, you can always find your comfort zone, allowing you to use your electric skateboard in more occasions. Thank you for watching today's video, where we explored some hidden features of the Veymax Cejour. We hope this video helped you get a better understanding of our product. The Veymax Cejour is a labor of love from our team, and we want more people to see its benefits. As part of the green transportation movement, electric skateboards not only offer convenience, but also contribute to environmental protection. Do you all know these features? What is your opinion on Veymax Cejour? Welcome to tell us in the comments section. See you next time.